Okay, so in all honesty, the more technical something is, the more complicated it is. I've installed the battery now, I've figured out how to do it. Okay, turned it on. Okay, I'll just turn it on and I'm going to press start. See what it does. Oh, here it goes. Not very good on rugs, supposedly. Oh look, shoelaces. Alright, the brushes come out. Okay, I advise you to move shoelaces out the way. You just got tangled with the shoelaces, but the brush comes off easy enough. But it got tangled round, and then you just put the brush back in. Ta-da! Goes back on. There you go. See, I'll make the mistake so you don't have to. Right, okay. Shoelaces. Just tell me, why does everyone leave the shoes in the hallway? Is it just one of them things? Right, okay. In the middle of the floor. Start again. See what it is now. Should have very few more thoughts in the room.